I'm Conor Falvey and we are here for the setup day of round 4 Drift Masters in Ireland. I'm super excited for this one, it's my home track. I've done my first ever drift event here, so I'm ready to have some fun.
Hello, I'm Diogo. I'm from in Portugal. I'm repair my car after the crash in Finland.
Hello, we just arrived at Mondello Park. We do 2,000 kilometers to get there. We start unpacking and setting everything, so see you later.